Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 22. A man is 5 times as old as his son. In 4 years' time, the product of their ages would be 340. If the son's age is y, express the product of their ages in terms of y. Express the product of their ages in terms of y. Now it is given that the man is 5 times as old as his son. Now let the man's age be x. So let's say let the man's age be x. Now if the man's age is x, let that of his son be y. So x here represents the man's age and y represents the son's age. So, and it is said that the man is 5 times as old as his son. It simply means that x is equals to 5y. Since this is the man's age and this is the son's age, x is equals to 5y since he is 5 times as old as his son. Then in 4 years' time, the product of their ages would be 340. And now in 4 years' time, the man's age will be equals to x plus 4. And since x is equals to 5y, so that means it's equals to 5y plus 4. Then the son's age also in 4 years' time, son's age is equals to y plus 4. Now therefore the product of their ages now will be 5y plus 4 into y plus 4, and it's equals to 340, because it's written that in 4 years' time the product of their ages would be 340. So 5y plus 4, which is the man's age in 4 years, multiplied by the son's age in 4 years, which is y plus 4, is equals to 340. So now let's open this bracket. 5y times y will give us 5y square. 5y times 4 will give us plus 20y. 4 times y will give us plus 4y. Then 4 times 4 will give us plus 16 is equals to 340. So here we're having 5y square plus 24y plus 16, then minus 340 is equals to 0. So we have 5y square plus 24y plus 16 minus 340 will give us minus 324 is equals to 0. Now this is the expression in which we are looking for, and looking at this expression is the same as option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.